We're going to explain how to enable XMP on your Acer Nitro 5. 1. First, you need to restart your computer and enter the BIOS. This is usually done by repeatedly pressing a key like Delete, F2, F10, or F12 during startup. The exact key depends on your Acer Nitro 5 model, so check your manual or look for a message on screen during boot. 2. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the Advanced or Overclocking section. The exact names might vary slightly depending on your BIOS version, but look for options related to memory or CPU settings. 3. Look for an option called XMP Profile or something similar. It might be listed under AI overclocking, performance settings, or memory settings. 4. You should see options like XMP Profile 1, XMP Profile 2, etc., representing different memory speed profiles. Select the profile that matches your RAM specifications. Check your RAM stick's labels for the correct speed. Usually, Profile 1-inch is the recommended one. 5. After selecting your XMP profile, save the changes and exit the BIOS. This is usually done by selecting an option like Save and Exit, or Exit Saving Changes. Your computer will restart and boot into Windows with the XMP profile enabled. 6. After rebooting, verify that XMP is working correctly. You can check your RAM speed using Task Manager, Ctrl+Shift+ESC, or programs like CPU-Z. Your RAM speed should now reflect the speed specified in your XMP profile. If it doesn't work, then restart again and check all the above steps again. This will ensure that the changes were correctly applied. 7. If you encounter any problems like system instability, crashes, blue screen errors, after enabling XMP, disable it immediately by returning to the BIOS and selecting the default settings or disabling the XMP profile. Your RAM will then revert to its default speed, which is usually lower than XMP's setting. Remember that enabling XMP slightly increases the voltage to your RAM, so make sure your RAM kit supports the XMP speeds and voltages. If you have any questions or doubts, check your RAM specifications or search online for information specific to your Acer Nitro 5 model and RAM kit. It's crucial to proceed carefully, as incorrect XMP settings might lead to system instability.